Dramatic music, headlines flashing, Biden's struggle in debate, calls to step aside, VP shakeup. President Joe Biden's 2025 re-election campaign is facing its most serious stakes yet. One that could reshape the race for the White House. After a widely criticized debate performance and growing concerns about his age and mental acuity, calls are mounting from within the Democratic Party for major changes at the top of the wicket. The question now, will Biden stay in the race? And if he does, and Kamala Harris will still be his running mate? Debate footage, clips of Biden appearing confused or hesitant. The crisis began after the June presidential debate where Biden appeared visibly frail, struggled to finish sentences, and seemed confused at times. While the White House and campaign officials initially tried to downplay the performance as a bad night, internal party polling shows a dramatic erosion in voters' confidence, especially among independents and younger voters. Democratic strategists say that privately there's panic. Many Democrats fear that Biden simply won't be able to win against Trump or any Republican challengers under these conditions. Democratic donor events, campaign office footage, newspapers headlines swap the ticket. Now Democrats are weighing their options. Biden insists he's staying in the race, but behind the scenes, pressure is mounting to consider a vice president switch or even a full withdrawal from the ticket. The focus has turned to three names in particular. Vice President Kamala Harris, the natural successor but facing doubts about her electability. California Governor Gavin Newsom, a dynamic campaigner with national name recognized. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer, seen as a pragmatic Midwestern leader who could help secure key swing states. Polls suggest all three outperform Biden in hypothermal matchups, but each brings political risk. Political analysts say that Harris would preserve continuity, but she has high negatives. Newsom and Whitmer are exciting to donors, but it would be unprecedented to push out a sitting president and VP. Capitol Hill footage brings briefings, frustrated lawmakers speaking off the record. Top Democrats in Congress are walking a fine line. Publicly, they are standing by Biden, but in private, some are arguing the president to step aside or at the least consider stepping back after the convention. Key dates ahead. Democratic National Convention, August 2025 in Chicago. Ballot certificate deadlines vary by state by begin soon after. If Biden were to exit the race, it would trigger a rare open convention where delegates would vote on a replacement nominee, a scenario not seen in modern American politics. For news, MSNBC, CNN panels debating, can Biden win? Should he be replaced? The Biden campaign has responded with a damage control bill, interviews, new ads, tighter messaging, and more visible appearance from First Lady Jill Biden. Behind the scenes, influential donors and party insiders are coordinating to prepare for any scenario, including an emergency unity ticket if Biden withdraws. Still, the clock is ticking. Former Obama advisors say that every day the crisis continues, it weakens the Democratic position going into November. American flag waving, voters at rallies, Kamala Harris on stage, Newsom and Whitmer shaking hands with voters. Joe Biden remains the Democrat nominee for now. But with the 2025 re-election fast approaching and the stakes higher than ever, the party is confronting a brutal political reality. Though they, behind the president, or risk tearing themselves apart trying to replace him? The next few weeks could refine the future of the Democratic Party and the outcome of the 2025 election. Subscribe for daily election updates, analysis, and breaking political news.